So many people ask me that question. It's a little annoying. Oh my goodness. Alarm clock. I forgot about this thing. Hey yo.
Work hard just to get high back. Work hard just to get high back. Get into it that way. I ain't coming through unless the stay straight. I used to work hard just to get high back. Work hard just to get high back.
Alright.
Just last week I told them
I gotta do my hair.
My legacy could never be undone.
Yeah. This is beach hair, water hair, sand hair, dirty hair, and it needs to be done. And I realized that I've been talking about bringing you guys my wash and go for the longest time. The last wash and go I remember bringing was my first one when I first cut my hair, and it was a catastrophe looking back on it. So it's about time I do one of them. So I've been trying this stretched wash and go thingy. I'll show y'all. So let's get to wash it. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I have to play something that's not going to really distract me, although because this is her newest album, it's going to distract me anyway. So let's try not to have that distract me anyway. Okay, so I'm starting on fresh wash hair. As you can see in the shower, I don't know if you can see the one. Yeah. I'm honestly going to show me. I'm going to get her where it's at. But I lost the door, so she can't tell me until after the video plays. So my hair is freshly washed and detangled. What I do is, everyone question to make sure that my hair is fully saturated in water and it's dripping wet. So this is why I like to do it in the shower, because the water is readily accessible and I get to mess up all of my clothes without messing up everything else. Make some clips. I just take small sections like this. That way. So I make it a tangle further. Take my comb. I have a dual sided comb. I take both sides of the tangle, so the tangle is the big side first. And then the small side. Slowly tangle. I'm gonna take my oil mixture. This is not rolling hair. This is an oil mixture. Some completely different. Castor oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil, almond oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, macadamia nut oil, other oils that I can't remember. I like to put that on my scalp. Put a little bit in my fingers, like I said, I like it to be super wet, so I'm gonna go back in the water. That's so wet, it's not to like run off all product. Next, I'm taking my Candy Shea Butter Hair Dressing Pomade. I'm actually going to use this as my, if you're following the lock method, I guess I'm using this as my, I'm using this as my cream. It defines curls and twists, smooths edges, seals and moisture for brilliant shine, prevents frizz, great for textured, relaxed, color treated hair, all that. So I just took it, I'm going to show you how much I took, but I took like about a pea size, and I just run that through my fingers, and this is what I do. I used to use my finger as a comb. So I think that's my truth, I don't know. And you can already see that my hair was drying to the comb. Now I'm going to take my candy dandy eco solar gel, because this is my hair. I'm gonna drop them. The same motion, breaking, and I can feel the difference already. You can feel the curls coming forward. And wherever I see that there's like frizz or anything, I make sure to run over that a little bit more just to work the product in. What I've been doing lately is going back in with my comb. I think just because I have so many different lengths, it helps. I kind of like, I put my comb in and then if you ever use a hot comb, yeah, that's what I do. Hot comb style. And it helps to just get the products in. I really just take chunks until I get to this portion. That's my longest section. And I like to form the front the way that I wear my hair. So again, go through the tangle. This section got dry, so I'm going to go more. Just put the oil. Make sure the oil is in my scalp. Slap myself in the face with some of this, some products. And then I like my face through. This is the first time that I'm in a shower with you guys. This is really intimate. I'm ready for this level in our relationship. I like to step out and look at my curls, kind of assess the situation. I will be back. We're going to go through this the rest of the set, and I'll be back when I'm in the front portion here and show you guys what I do more. I like to part my hair on this side. Since I've been doing this stretch wash though, I like to have it full on this side. Okie dokie, so we're back in my room. Little privacy, you feel me? We have privacy in the bathroom too, but okay. Anyway, this is what my hair is looking like. Definition, you see it? I'm trying to like put my forehead a certain way so you can see what the hell I'm talking about. But anyway, if it was earlier in the day, I would probably let it air dry for a little bit, and then when I got fed up of air drying, or I wanted to take a nap or do something with my life that required me having to dry my hair, I would diffuse my hair. Because it is 2:17 in the morning, I am actually going to diffuse my hair now, especially being that I want to have it mostly dry for when I stretch it. Anytime I'm using any type of heat, when I'm diffusing, it doesn't matter if I'm just diffusing my hair, I'm using low heat or whatever the case is. I add my thermal protectant. I'm such a Cantu spokesperson, but I'm using my Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. It shields hair from up to 425 degrees. It reduces frizz and flyaways. Not sure why I shake this. It doesn't really tell you to shake it, but I shake it anyway. spray it in your eye first. Make sure it works properly. Enough of that. So I'm just gonna take my blow dryer, attach my diffuser. Looks like this. I'm actually gonna put it on hot with high level because it's late. Tired. My hair is about 75% dry. So I'm gonna stretch it and then I'll sleep overnight with the rest of it drying. To stretch it, what I do is, I'm gonna be really careful because I don't wanna mess up the curls too much. I'm gonna start in the front so you guys can see. Alright, so here was where my part was. I'm just going to finger separate, you guys can see. Finger separate wherever the curls want to separate itself. I let it separate. I don't force anything or nothing. And then I softly, because it's still wet, and really and truly it's just the ends that are mostly dry, and even those are still kind of damp. So I'm going to take this whole section here. I want it to be able to fall into my face, so I'm going to direct it slightly back to up. I'm taking this is one of the long scrunchies, the one that you like bandle things. So I'm gonna take that, I'm halving it. And I am going to stretch. Just like if I'm making a puff, but I want to stack it. So I don't want it to go on top of each other. I don't want it to go directly on top of the next one. I want it to lay over it. Well, I don't want it to go over it then. I want it to lay on top of it, if that makes sense. So look. So you see now I have 2 rows. And I'm gonna do one more. And being really, really careful not to mess up those curls. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna leave that like this. I'm gonna do that all over the head.
And I'm ding dings, and little things, niggas know my name ring, and it's a ding ding. If I get an inkling, the thing I sing, ain't talking about the singer, the thing about me +1.
I'm gonna go back in with my diffuser for a little bit. Alright,
as the world turns, the blunt
I'm going to bed.
I'll
see you guys tomorrow. I'll take this out, show you guys what it looks like. But I need to sleep. It's 3:04. Good night. Good morning. I'll see you later. So what I do is I take the section in here where all my curls are. I hold that away from, and I pull away. I stick the comb attachment and blow dryer into that section, and I just kind of wiggle it around. Kind of like if I'm picking my hair up. But it's fine. Alright, then I take my pick wherever it is, and then I pick it out to form it and to get rid of all the
my blood, sweat, and tears in perfecting my craft. Still every team's #1 pick in the draft.
So
shouting now. He came over like a room, hit them showers now.
Yeah,
I got the trophies in the catalog. Just did the deal, Mercedes Benz, check the catalog. You know, we take them to Jiffy now. I'm
this side,
butter. He nothing like Skippy now. He want me to be his wife. His missus like Sippy now.
Still being careful. Alrighty, loves. This is the look. This is how I do my wash and goes. This is how I get my curls like that. Honestly. It's about time that I brought you guys wash and go routine because I've been talking about it for way too long. You guys have been asking me how I get my curls like this. So yeah, how do I get my hair to curl like that? So many people ask me that question. So this is how I get my hair to curl like that. Water, gel. It's not really the product, it's just this is how my hair operates. That's all. But anyway, I'm really loving this outcome. Honestly, this results right now is like, I'm feeling myself. Yes, sis. Yeah. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me in the shower. Yeah. Really intimate. If you guys would like to see this look, just let me know. This makeup look, not the hair look. You guys just seen that. So if you guys would like to see this makeup look, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to bring it to you guys. Really something. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I know that it has been long overdue, like everything else. But you know, it's all good. I hope that you guys come back to visit. One of the things that I usually say, I'm not like here often enough to know what I say. It's so annoying. All of my links are below in the description box where they usually are, where they always are, where you know that they are. So all my links are down there. You guys can go and check out previous videos that I have done in the past. Some of them are linked below as well. Go, by all means, infiltrate the channel and binge watch whatever you would like to binge watch. Don't be a stranger, be a neighbor. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and make sure that you ring the bell so you know when I'm in the crib. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I gotta go. Keeping it 100, that's a jelly